Hello, I'm here with Arthur and we're here to show you how to make three different types of pop-up cards which we could turn into Easter or spring cards to send. So we're going to first start to show you what you're going to need. So you will need some card, so you could use coloured card or plain card, or you could use thick paper. What else are we going to need, Arthur?
A glue stick.
Some colours and
Scissors.
Thank you. Right, so we're going to start off with this card here, card number 1. Now this is a chick, a nice Easter chick, spring chick. So we're going to show you how to make this card. So to make this card, you're going to get a piece of paper or card for the inside. So we'll start with the inside and we fold it in half, making sure it's really neat in the corners. Fold that in half. Then we cut across horizontally to make a beak. So how would you like to cut across? So the bigger you cut, the bigger the beak. You must not go more than halfway across. So we've gone about a third of the way across there. So when you've made your cut, then you fold almost triangles. We fold our triangles up so they can see. Then we fold them back down, so those creases will help us later, and open up our card. So now we have a piece of card which has a cut across and folds, because we had it folded in half. So then we need to poke through the beak. So from the back, we push through. It's going to be a bit fiddly, this bit. Push through. And we'll turn that fold inside out so that we can fold it down. Ooh. There you go. Made that the card, but it worked. So then when we open it up now, we've got a beak. So then that beak will form part of our chick, which then you can attach to a piece of coloured card and then colour it in. But actually what we're going to do, we're going to start colouring it in first. So if you start colouring that one in, rather than start colouring that one in, and making sure that we're just colouring in the beak a different colour to the rest of the body. I'm actually going to, rather than stick the whole sheet in, I'm going to cut my chick out, the outline of the chick. And then you can attach it into our card. So when we attach it into our card, we need the glue stick. Can I have the glue stick, please, Arthur? And when we attach the glue, we only attach it to the non-beak part of the chick. So would you like to do that for me, Arthur? Actually, you've really getting on with that one, but on to one side. So if you glue, but not on the beak part, but everywhere else. Don't you glue all the way on the edges, right to the edge. Right to the edge. Right around here, look. Right around here. There. Good job. And making sure that our beak is still poking out. I'm going to stick our chick into our card. Close the card up, so the beak's always poking through. So there we go. What do we think? Good. Do you want to finish that one off? Right, so Arthur's going to finish that one off while I show you how to make two of the other cards. So that's number 1. This is card number 2. Now this is a card which you could make a spring card or an Easter card. The idea is that there are 3 areas. You could change the number of areas. I've chosen three places where it's going to pop up, where you could stick images which represent something to do with Easter, the Easter story, or to do with spring. That's completely up to you how you would do that and what you would choose, but you would need to put 3 of the things on so that when you open it up, those things would be kind of standing up and showing everything. Okay, so let's do the full across there. So to make this card, again, you're going to need a piece of card for the outside, and then it's the inside which is slightly different. So to make this card, some of these colours out there, pull it across a little bit. Fold your card in half again. And then this time I'm going to make 4 little areas which stand up, and you could make them different heights, or you could all be the same height. It's really important that you don't go more than halfway through your piece of paper. If you go more than halfway, they'll stick out when you fold them through the other side, which you'll see in a minute. I'm going to do 3, 4, so 4 pairs of cups. So there's 1 pair there, which I would fold in. There's another pair here, which I can fold in. There's another pair here, and another pair of cups here, which I can fold in. And then fold them back, and similarly to the egg card, to the chip card, sorry, and then fold them so they stick out. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I've got 4 little places this time. Just put some of my pictures or items which relate to Easter or spring, whatever you like to choose. And then that will just get, you could do a background and stick that inside the card. That's another way of doing it. Now we come on to the most complex of the Easter cards. So to do this, the best way we've found to do this is to actually use an A5 piece of card. So to make an A5 piece of card, we actually take a normal A4 piece of card and fold that in half, and then use half of it. And the reason we do that is that when you close the card, you can see that the crosses almost come to the edge. So if you had a full-size piece of card, you'd have bits sticking out of your card. So got an A5 piece of card. How's the chip coming on?
Great.
Great. Cutting it in half. So I can save that A5 piece of card for later to do something else, but for now I've got this piece of card. So to make our 3 crosses, which represent the crosses where Jesus died, the cross where Jesus died, fold that in half, and then we are going to draw on there. I'm going to draw outline, and then I'm going to draw the main cross. You done, Arthur? Excellent. You go stand it up and see if it stands up. And then we're going to cut this out. So, lovely, thank you, Arthur. So with this card, it's really important that you don't, we cut some of it, but not, there's a certain bit that we don't cut. So for now, we're just cutting on the lines, and I'll show you the bit we've got to be really careful. So I'm cutting around that outline of half of my cross. Remember, it's folded in half, so when I open up, it will show the other half. And then I cut across, cut out the other half of the cross, the side of the cross. It is a bit fiddly, this card. Just take your time. So we cut out our here, but then you can see there's another line underneath, and that's because we need to have somewhere for our cross to fold out from. So we cut across here, but we don't cut up, just cut horizontally across. Okay, and here we can fold that, which we'll use that fold later. So now, when we open it up, we have 3 crosses. And fold these pieces to come out. So actually, it will sit inside the card like this, which is why we made it smaller to start with. So then, to finish it off, to attach it to the card, again fold your piece of coloured card in half, and then we can attach it to the inside. So again, we would only attach the frame. We wouldn't put any glue on any of this section here. So no glue on here. So I'll get some glue. Thank you, Arthur. And glue all around the outside frame. Stick it all down in the middle. There we go. We've got 3 cards, 3 ideas for cards, for Easter cards. We've got an Easter chick, we've got the cross, and we've also got more of an open-ended idea where you can put your own elements of Easter or spring on that card. There we go, hope you have fun making those. Say bye, Arthur.
Bye.
Bye.